Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be installing a StabiliGrip floor in our Ford Transit van. Let's get started. All right, Legend does provide a full installation guide for this floor. It's actually going to be a QR code on the outside of the box. Make sure you scan that, look at that for the ultimate source of information. Of course, we're doing our best to follow that as well. Now, first things first is just some prep. If you have a floor in here already, you're gonna wanna take that out. We actually had, this was a used van, and someone put a plywood floor in here and used deck screws to attach it to the floor. And so we ripped that out and we had to do a little bit of repair work to the floor. So we did that, and then we're also gonna be doing our wheel well covers. If you have some of those, you wanna put those in first because there is a lip on the side of this that the floor is gonna sit on top of. Next is going to be your foam spacers like this. Now we get a lot of questions on where do these foam spacers go, what are they for, and things like that. So these actually go in this forward part of the van because there's a couple of areas, mainly like right here and right here, where if you step on the floor, because of the ribbing in the van, it actually kind of makes the floor pick up a little bit. And so these foam spacers actually prevent that from happening. And so these go up here. Now you can see etched in here kind of lightly, we do have a P and we do have a D, so passenger and driver. So passenger is going to be on this side. It's going to sit kind of right in between this rib right here. There's a little inset rib right here that this is going to kind of index up against. And then same thing over here on the driver's side. Now this does have some adhesive on the back that'll keep it from sliding around and moving around. Go ahead and take that off and attach it to your floor. All right, now the next thing I like to do when dealing with StabiliGrip is actually put on some gloves, because there is some fiberglass in this floor. You know, it's not a big deal if it gets on your skin, but if you've ever dealt with fiberglass, it's just kind of annoying. That's why I like to wear some rubber gloves when handling the floor. I'm starting with the forward and making my way backwards. So this is a 3-piece floor. First piece right here, it's got a little Legend emblem. It's got this nice cutout here for this inset step. Next, you're gonna wanna find your H channel like this. It's aluminum and your glue. It's included in the kit. This is gonna be in almost like, you know, a really long toilet paper roll. And then this is gonna be in a bag. It's 2 of these, one's shorter and one's longer. For this first part, we're gonna use the longer. Then we're gonna take our glue, snip off the edge, and we're gonna apply our glue to this channel, both sides of the channel, all the way to about 1 inch from the edge, both sides, and then we'll slide it in place. Sometimes it's helpful to take a rubber mallet, gently tap that into place. Now the nice thing about the way that this floor is manufactured is it's actually milled here a little bit on the edge. So once you attach this joiner strip, it's actually a flush surface. There's no bumps or anything like that that you're gonna snag your carts on, or whatever you may have coming in this area of the van. Same type of deal with the rubber mallet. And then same deal with this H channel right here. Now, as you can see right here, we do have a cutout here for our, this is our emergency tire release cable mechanism. You still have access to that. Same thing's gonna be there if you have the sill set. I'm just gonna cover over that. So that just about does it for installing the floor. Now, you're also gonna wanna make sure that you get some door sills, because right now this just kind of sets up against these door openings and really easy to trip over or chip and things like that. So we always recommend getting a set of door sills. You can get them in aluminum. It's kind of like a diamond plate texture. You can get them in steel. If you go the steel route, you can do black or yellow. We actually went with yellow because you can see we have our bright yellow grab handles right there. We're gonna do that in a different installation video, so if you're interested in that, be sure to check that out. Now, if you're looking for this floor or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com. Okay, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.